How to unhide locked chats on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can unhide locked chats on WhatsApp. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right into it. So whenever you open up your WhatsApp and lock a chat, you should find it when you swipe down from here. You should find the lock chats on the top. If you don't find it, you will need to head over to your search bar on the top, enter out your secret code, and you should find the lock chats option. Tap on it, and you'll find your lock chats. After you're here, what you can do to unhide the lock chat is tap on the settings on the top right, and there you'll find the button that says hide lock chats. Turn that off and then tap on continue. You can also turn off your secret code by tapping on turn off. And after you've done that, if you head back to your profile, your home screen, you should find lock chats right here. Whenever you tap on it, all you have to go through is a secret code or your face ID and you should find your lock chats. And yeah, that's how you can unhide locked chat on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.